All right, so I think we got to the root of the problem here, and you'll see it's on. That guy's on. If I turn it off from here, it should shut off. Okay, good to go. I'm going to turn it back on now. Should fire right up. Okay. And now I'm going to turn it off here. Bingle bangle boogie. There you go. So this will be our safety. I still want to maybe clean this up a little bit. That kind of looks ugly, but hey, what are you going to do? So for now this will work, and I'm just going to kind of consolidate some of this under here so it's not looped around everything and away from these edges, and it should be good to go. So there we are. Now take those out. Cool beans. Giant stretched out golf cart on jack stands and a paint bucket. America.